In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, what to click, and how to set up a clean, well-labeled folder your team can understand at a glance. First, open ClickUp and head to the overview of the team space where you want this folder to live. In the left sidebar, select your team space, then choose the overview section. It's important to start in the right place because folders are scoped to the space you're currently viewing. Creating it from the proper overview ensures your folder lands in the correct area for your projects and team. Once you're on the overview page, look for the plus sign. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it near the top, right, or next to the space name. Click that plus sign to reveal creation options. If you don't see it, make sure you have the right permissions for that space or try expanding the sidebar. Sometimes a collapsed view can hide key actions. From the options that appear, choose Folder. This opens the folder creation window. If you're deciding between a list and a folder, remember that folders group multiple lists that share a common theme or process. They're great for larger initiatives, departments, or client groupings where you'll have several lists underneath. Click into the name field. Use a clear, consistent naming convention so your team instantly knows what belongs here. For example, you might include a project type, date, or team name to keep things organized. Think along the lines of marketing campaigns Q1, client onboarding, or product launch roadmap. Clarity now prevents confusion later. Next, click into the description field. This is your chance to add context, the purpose of the folder, what work should live here, and any guidelines for how to structure lists inside it. Keep it concise but informative, focusing on scope and expectations. You can mention who will use the folder and what outcomes it supports, but avoid adding sensitive details. A good description helps new teammates ramp up quickly and keeps everyone aligned. When you're ready, click Create. ClickUp will add your new folder to the selected team space and take you into it. If the Create button looks disabled, double check that you've entered a name. If you realize the folder is in the wrong place, you can move it later by dragging it to the correct space in the sidebar. That's it. Go to Overview, hit the plus sign, choose Folder, add a clear name and helpful description, and click Create. You're ready to organize your work the smart way in ClickUp.